Today, we are making a delicious savory keto cheese bread. This recipe is designed to be very low in carbohydrates, making it safe for maintaining stable blood sugar levels. And the best part, each of these cheese buns contains only 2.5 grams of net carbs. Now, let's get started with the recipe. First, add 3/4 cup of almond flour. Almond flour is ideal for diabetics because it has a very low glycemic index, meaning it won't cause rapid blood sugar spikes like regular wheat flour. Then, add approximately 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Now for the key ingredient, add roughly 1.5 cups of shredded mozzarella cheese. The cream cheese is essential here. It softens the dough, ensuring the bread stays moist and doesn't become too rubbery after baking. In keto baking, melted mozzarella acts as a binder, replacing the gluten found in wheat flour to give the bread its structure and chewy texture. Pop the bowl into the microwave and heat it on high for about 2 minutes. We want the cheese to be completely melted and gooey. Now, stir vigorously while the cheese is still hot. It might look messy at first, but keep mixing until the almond flour and cheese combine into a smooth dough ball. Once the dough has cooled slightly, crack in 1 large egg. Adding an egg not only boosts the protein content without adding carbs, but it also helps bind the ingredients for a better bread texture. Now, knead the dough thoroughly. It might be sticky, so wet your hands slightly or use gloves. Keep going until the egg is fully incorporated and the dough looks smooth and uniform. Now, divide the dough into 3 equal parts. This will give us 3 generous servings of cheese bread. This dough is incredibly versatile. While we're making buns today, you can use this exact same base to make keto bagels or even a thin crust pizza without spiking your blood sugar. Gently use your hands to shape each portion into a smooth, round bun. Place them on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. I'm curious, what is your biggest challenge with managing blood sugar or sticking to keto? Is it the cravings? Drop a comment, let's discuss. Take a sharp blade or knife and gently score the top of the buns. You can do a simple cross or a few diagonal lines. Scoring isn't just for decoration, it allows steam to escape during baking, helping the bread rise evenly without cracking uncontrollably. To finish, sprinkle some dried parsley and sea salt on top. This adds a burst of flavor and a nice crunch. Bake at 220 degrees Celsius or 425 Fahrenheit for 15 minutes until golden brown. Fresh out of the oven, look at that beautiful golden crust, crispy on the outside and incredibly soft and fluffy on the inside. The combination of mozzarella and almond flour creates a texture remarkably similar to traditional bread, but with a fraction of the carbs. The bread looks perfect, but before I take that first bite, I need to check my blood sugar to establish a starting point for our experiment. My blood sugar is 4.8. Now that we have this number, I can enjoy this bread without worry and see what happens in an hour. This bread is sturdy enough for a burger, but soft enough for a breakfast sandwich. What would you fill yours with? Bacon and egg? Or a juicy beef patty? Tell me your dream combo below. Wow, the texture is incredible. It has a slight crunch on the outside, but inside it's soft, moist, and chewy. You wouldn't even know it's grain-free. Many low-carb substitutes can be dry or crumbly, but the mozzarella gives this bread the perfect elasticity to satisfy your cravings without spiking your insulin. It has been exactly 1 hour since I finished eating the bread. The moment of truth, 5.1 millimoles per liter, or 92 milligrams per deciliter. That is an incredibly small rise from our baseline of 4.8. A rise of only 0.3 units is negligible. This proves that this bread has almost no impact on blood sugar, confirming it's a safe and delicious option for diabetics. So there you have it, delicious cheese bread that won't spike your blood sugar. Give this recipe a try and let me know what you think. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more diabetic-friendly recipes.